Good morning, all. Today is the 5th of February 2016. I've already taken a couple of trades here, and first one got stopped out. I was trying to short this, and I took it at this candle. Entry was 49, got stopped out there, 54, or yeah, 54, and I saw the spiking candle here. Took it again at 60. And hit my target at 49, which was my entry from earlier. So right now I'm just doing 2 to 1 risk reward. Yesterday was I did trade yesterday. I just didn't record it. I was able to get $125 yesterday, but I ran out of time. I had to go to work. So anyways, in the meanwhile, let's see. I'm looking, focus on these two areas right here, $31, and I'm actually going to highlight this one as well, 31.35. If it holds that, then I could see a push to the upside here. But right now it's not, doesn't even, I don't think it'll get there because this thing, I think it's going to be narrow. That's why I'm sticking to my 11 tick target today, just because of that reason. 3107 is kind of where I'm watching. So in the meanwhile, I'm gonna sit on my hands here, and I'll try to record it as soon as I get another trade in. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm playing the other account here. See if we get hit. Order gets hit here. Got filled 37, so I'm close to just moving this target now in case it comes back retrace on me for sure. We'll see here because I'm trying to short this low. Okay, so it looks like I might have gotten hit. This software is just a little delayed here. It's doing that to me again. Anyways, it's just a sim account. I'm trying another technique here. So this one, let's just cancel this one. I'm gonna try to cover at I don't know, $31. See if I can get it there without getting stopped out. Maybe 3102. Let's see. Oh, earlier was 3107, so I'm gonna cover at 3110. 3110's cover. All right. Well, so I got my orders in. We'll see what happens here. Downside is seems like to be the move. I don't have a. Let's see if I can find a buy zone here somewhere. Make sure I'm not interacting with my target. So I have a buy zone here at this level. If you could see, highlighted by 3082-ish, around that area. Might be a buy level there. 3061. So I'm way ahead of that. So I'm gonna get in. I'm gonna get out once that's before that level even gets hit. So I'm okay. In the meanwhile, I'll pause the video and I will come right back. Alright, so I got in again, 35, reshorted this level here. Let's see if I can get a follow through. But I'm gonna be really protective of my stop. So so right now I only got 10 ticks. Sorry, a tick risk. So we'll see what happens. In the meanwhile, I'll pause the video. Okay, so I got aggressive here. I was trying to
bottom fish this level, pretty much put a stop limit order right there and waiting for the price to bump its head to my order was the technique of what I did. And it looks like I'm gonna move my stop here, just protect myself from really 5 ticks is all I could afford. So let's see what happens here. In case I'm gonna go ahead and just put it there just in case it rolls over again and test this level. If it does, I'll try to just get in, re-entered here, maybe get a cheaper price around 12 maybe. So, but at least no risk trade here. Alright, I'll be right back. So back when I put an order in, like I mentioned, I was gonna get in like around the 13-12 area, put my order in there. Then look like I think it's gonna lose steam here and head lower. So get stopped out here pretty soon. Hopefully not. If anything, I'll just pay commission. My target's the same target as I did earlier. I got in at 15, sold it at 26. I'm expecting if it takes off, you're gonna go further than that. And then we'll take this one as the last target. So we shall see. Waiting on results here. I'll be right back. So while we wait to get stopped out, I mentioned earlier 3107 around that area. It's gonna bounce. And there's this kind of where I was getting really interested. Made a low of 3110. So we'll see if today it'll bounce back up. But I think this might stay in the low. And what's going to happen is it's just going to test this over and over and be a narrow range. I mean, 3150 around that area. If might bump its head there. So I might look to sell there and then just buy here. At least that's the game plan. So anyways, it's pretty boring. I'm just kind of waiting around. So pause the video. I'll come right back. Okay, so I'm doing this 2 contract thing. I saw this. It's like a tighter range consolidation. When this thing popped, I was looking for opportunity to buy. Got in at put a stop limit order in at 3108, which is right there. So as soon as the price started to go up, it bumped into my order, filled me. But again, this is a simulated account, so you have to when you evaluate your performance, you just have to also maybe take 2 ticks, 3 ticks out of it before you to figure out what your actual performance is. So you just have to keep that in mind. Right now, I guess I'll just move it to break even here. Oh, I'm already on break even. Make it +2. I'm gonna sell it at 40, and I wish I could pay attention on both account here. So right now, $690, 2 contracts. It's not bad. I think I met my objective, so I'm gonna quit trading this one. And hopefully, I'm as good trader trading the real account here. But I think I'm gonna sit out here for a second, take a break, take a chill pill here, and I'm pretty sure the market's already in the bounce here. So from what I mentioned earlier, there was a level on my indicator to buy at around this area, so I highlighted it. And then it happened to be this is where my support line is. So I was like, okay, well, I got 2 things that's going to help out my thesis. Is one thing is that these support support resistance levels, pretty much kind of help me out of if you're bottom fishing. It's certainly an area to look for. So I was watching that, and I started trading around it. I got stopped out a couple of times, but 3108 was my last order in, and so far so good. Looking for this thing to bump its head like around 40 level. That might be even doing that now. So I'm gonna try this one. gonna try to short this one here. Um, but we'll see. Right now it's a pretty decent, maybe 41. If this thing even, let's see, what is this value here? 31, 38, or 68. So anyhow, I'm gonna look for weakness here, and I'll try to just fade this move. I'll be right back. So I took this trade here. I think it might hit, so I'm gonna be really protective. But we'll see. We'll see. I guess I'll just watch it now. Might even get taken out of here real soon. High of this one is 52. So we'll see. It looks like it's just hanging around here. I might just get out because right now this candle is fixing to expire. Yep, I knew it. Okay, well, that wasn't the level. I was expecting something else, but guess didn't work out. So I'll wait again, see what happens. 61 actually was where I was looking at. So if it's holding good here, then I might long this one. Looking for an opportunity here. 61. Yeah, it's pretty strong, so I'm gonna get in. Alright, so I'll go up as high as 61 if it goes up there. Let's see. Missed the boat on that one. I think this is a momentum price here, price movement. So let me see. I'll be right back for now. It's just wiggling all over the place. It's not allowing me to put a good entry in. So, but I think up is the direction here. So anyways, I'll be right back. Guys, I think I'm gonna call it quits here. I just broke even flat for today, and it's just wiggling around so much. There's not much consistency into the up or the downside. So I'm not planning on giving up my money here, and I've already made 5 trades, and I'm still not even hitting any winners. So very tight. Days like today, it's almost like a play to give your money away, and I'm just glad that I broke even on this account, and I did pretty good on this 2 contract strategy here. Oh, sorry, my mic is not on my face. So anyways, if you have any questions, just let me know. I certainly appreciate you guys taking the time to watch the video. I hope that you're learning from it. And if you have any questions, comments, just either send me an email directly, or just leave a comment. Please subscribe, like the video if you like the video, and support this channel. Until then, you guys have a good weekend. I'm heading to work. That's the reason why I'm stopping, and I just can't get my hands wrapped around this price movement. So and I've been being protective of my stops. So I took these two, I believe. Yeah, I went long on these two. Oh, I was long on this one, 61 entry, because I said, okay, well, if it held about that, I'm gonna take it long. And sure enough, it did that. The level was right here. So it took a 62, 61, and then popped a little bit and stopped me out. So anyways, yeah, it's gonna be very, very, the wicks are very large, and it's hard for me to gauge my entry
when it's only 5 ticks. So doesn't fit my my trading criteria. So I was just trying to see if I can get something out of it. In any event, y'all have a good one. I'll see you on the next video. I'll see you Monday. Have a great weekend.